Hey, it's Dr. Amanda from StraightSmile Solutions. Today I'm going to do a live unboxing video of whatever I got from OrthoFx that came in the mail. I have no idea what's in here, so we're going to wing it. But real quick intro background, you should check out orthofx.com. I'm going to call it a quasi direct-to-consumer aligner company. So it's not like Smile Direct Club, Bite, Ortho Candid. It's not like Invisalign Clear Correct. It's somewhere in the middle. So that means you will apply to be a provider. I think they have territories. So if it might already be taken, but if your area is not taken, you can apply to be a provider. I'm assuming there's certain goals or KPIs you have to meet in order to be part of their network to stay on their doctor locator. But you'll offer this as an alternative to Invisalign or ClearCorrect or white label aligners to your patients. Price is fixed, so I believe it's $39.95 set price. Patients pay OrthoFx. OrthoFx is also the lab. So basically you're gonna submit it within their portal. The aligners will come back, not unlike what you do with Invisalign. You'll deliver them and you do whatever you do with them. So if you want to do direct to consumer, you can. If you want to do it your own way, you can. Of course, if you don't know what you're doing, I recommend you give us a buzz. But yeah, so let's take a look and see what they sent me. I did ask for a sample. I said if they're going to send me an intro box, I would like to have a sample of the aligner so I can kind of feel, because I know they're using their own proprietary material and I've never checked it out and I'm really familiar with what's out there. So, all right. Oh, cool. What is this? Wow. That is really cool. I'm guessing this is where you store your aligners. I don't know, but it's wood. It would get kind of wet, but it's really cool. Some socks. What? That is awesome. Thank you so much. I don't know if maybe this comes in the kits that the patient kits. I'm not sure. Okay. All right. So, I did get my aligners. That was the main thing that I wanted. So this is the OrthoFx. I love the branding on this. This is really cool. It definitely is much snazzier than white label. Yeah, I love the swag, man. That's pretty cool. Let's put that out. The swag is really cool. All right, let's open it up, see what they feel like, and I will give you my unbiased opinion. I have never touched these aligners before. They have, I believe they're doing 1 to 2 week changes. Why am I having troubles opening this? Today, their bags are kind of hard. So that's pretty cool. Let's see. Ooh, they are super clear. They did tell me that they were super clear, so pretty flexible. Kind of honestly, it feels like Zendara Flex to me. That's what this feels like. I like the trim. I think the trim is cool. It's kind of scalloped, but it's not as scalloped as Invisalign's trim. So there'll be a little bit more retention, but it's relatively flexible and very, very, very clear. So, I mean, like, yeah, I would definitely say 1 week changes on this. I wouldn't do 2 week changes. Very nice. Yeah, I mean, it's very pretty material. So very neat. So I'm excited about this. Again, the price point to the patient is $39.95. Patients pay directly to OrthoFx, and then they take out the lab fees. I don't know how much it is. You'll have to ask them. And then you get whatever's left. I think the cool thing is I don't know if you get your money up front, but I think you might. I think that they deal with the patient collections. So I think you'll have to get a little more information on exactly how that works. But you don't have to deal with billing or anything like that. You just give them the patient and they take it from there, and then you just do the doctor stuff, you know, with the treatment plan. So I think that they do not, is my understanding. I'm sure I'll get some emails if I said it wrong. I don't think they punch precision cuts in. I think you have to do that yourself, but that's really easy to do if you need it. So I can teach you how to do that. I have a lot of videos on that. They do have attachments. They don't have bite turbos. So again, if you got a deep bite patient, probably not the best. It's probably for mild to moderate crowding would be my guess in spacing. So maybe minor AP changes if you want to punch your own precision cuts in. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's OrthoFx. I really, like I said, very classy, nice looking aligners, well trimmed. Production looks good. If you're not interested in the whole white label workflow, which a lot of people are doing, this is another option. It seems pretty turnkey to me. So you don't really have to set anything up. $39.95. You don't have any lab fees. They don't bill you. I'm guessing you're getting around $2,000, $2,500 back, you know, for your time. And, you know, if you have all your things in order, you know, your compliance, everything in order, then this should be really easy to scale within your office. So anyways, all right. Thanks so much. Thanks for listening to my video today. If you have any questions, don't forget to visit StraightSmileSolutions.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out our blogs, and remember, we do support doctors with scaling ortho in their practice. Doesn't matter if you're an orthodontist, you're a DSL, you're a general dentist, or you're a pediatric dentist, we're glad to help. And we do offer complimentary coaching sessions. Just visit our website to schedule it. All right, thanks so much. Bye-bye.